Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video. Today, we did a model of the compression test of a steel column, a steel column with initial corrosion at the middle. See here, this is a corrosion which is happen in the model, and we are going to do two models. First, with corrosion here, bare steel column. Then we will add CFRP to change the buckling location. Here, see, under the compression load here, this is the critical area, and you can see the yield criterion happen also here, or ductile damage. And it means the column will fail here, as you see here, the maximum stress damage, everything happen at the middle. And in the second model, we used CFRP. Where is it here? See here, at the middle, we use a CFRP as a reinforcement for this to change the location of the critical zone. And if I click on this, at the same situation, you can see we don't have buckling here or the maximum stress. Here, let me remove the CFRP. Here you can see we don't have much information, deformation here like the previous model. So the CFRP has a good and great effect to avoid the local buckling here at the middle at the corroded area. Here, this is the corroded area. And we can check everything, for instance, damage. But you can see here the CFRP is damaged here as the tension of the matrix, compression of the matrix, and tension of the matrix here. This is the compression of the matrix. Under this axial load, also you can check, for instance, the axial. You can see here, we don't have thumb here, but it changed to the top of the column, and that's better for us in the design to avoid the buckling at the middle. This is so critical to change the location. And that's a way to reinforce the corroded column. This example also has a paper regarding to this model. We can check the force displacement for both diagrams. Uh, the red is the CFRP model, and the blue is the pipe or the steel column without any reinforcement. And you can see this is the differences between two models. The tolerance in the CFRP model is much more than the column without CFRP. So, okay, if you want to learn the modeling of the corroded column under the compression load, reinforced with CFRP or without CFRP, you can come to our website here, abaqusfem.com. Find the English tutorial here. This is the English tutorial, and then we have a title, short explanation, geometry, and then the definition of the column, CFRP, key features, and then the result as the figures you can see. You can provide CAE, INP, paper, step-by-step English video for this model. The price is 26 euros. Our payment methods are all the cryptocurrencies like Tether, Bitcoin, TRX, or PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard. Before payment, send me an email to this address here to tell you more about the payment process, the content of the tutorial, or any question that you have. For now, thank you for your attention.